Here is a quick overview of the Logic Pro X workspace. Here we have the timeline view. Time flows from left to right, and on the left hand side we have the individual tracks. Over on the left hand side here we have the libraries of sounds and software instruments. I brings up that track's individual channel strip found on the mixer, so instead of having to open up the mixing desk all the time, if you need access to just that one channel strip, then you can just press I, select the channel that you want to work on, and then you can work on that channel strip. The question mark is a quick help button which will tell you what anything is as long as you hover the mouse over it. This is smart controls. It's useful for software instruments. The mixing desk is the next important one. Shortcut X brings up the mixing desk. The scissors is editor, which will allow you to edit audio by cutting it up, or edit MIDI by drawing in MIDI notes. The next part is the control bar, which will allow you to play, rewind, fast forward, pause, and record and loop. Then you have the display, which you can set to beats, time. This button here, 1, 2, 3, 4, is a count-in. So just before you start recording, if you would like a 4-beat count-in to prepare you, you can turn it on. If you don't need it, you can turn it off. This is the metronome, which sounds like this. If you don't need it, you can turn it off. The next one that's useful is the NotePad, which will allow you to keep notes on either the whole project or individual tracks. Then you can keep notes of everything. The next part is loops, which are where all the loops are located. These are royalty free and you can use them in your music. And finally is the media. This is a collection of all of the sound files that are used in your recording. So if you accidentally delete something, you can find it in here.